Discover how to operate, dismantle, and clean a similar centrifugal electric juicer machine to eliminate waste and leftover pulp of any brand including Breville, Koios, GDOR, Qcen, Primera, VEVOR. To extract juice, simply power on the juicer, feed fruits or vegetables into the feed tube, and press the pusher down. I've demonstrated this process using carrots and pre-cut apples. Before explaining how to remove the attachments for cleaning, I want to highlight that these are some of the latest and most unique juicers available today, including both manual and electric options. For more information, check the link in the description. Remember to unplug the juicer before disassembling it. You may notice that debris accumulates around the filter basket and within the pulp container. When taking it out for cleaning, be careful not to pull the juice collector out forcefully. To take out the strainer or filter basket, simply pull it upwards. Rinse the attachments with warm soapy water to remove any leftover pulp. While I offer you this delicious juice, please like, share, and subscribe to the Dozro channel for more valuable tutorials.